right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the WRX. This has been
Not one, not two, but three Subarus in the house, and they are all blue. Alright guys, so welcome to another video. Today we're actually, I met up with one of my friends. As you can see, now I have two Subaru friends, which is awesome. And he picked up the same exhaust as me. He loved it so much that he definitely had to get it, and I don't blame him for it. It's a great exhaust. I mean, I know you guys already watched it, but I'm going to install the exhaust on this WRX, and then we're gonna do a nice comparison between both, because the STI does have the rumble and the WRX does not. So it's gonna be interesting to see the R400 on this car versus that. So I'm sure this is gonna be very helpful for all the owners out there wondering how it sounds. So I'm just gonna speed up through the installation, and then we're gonna do a sound comparison, which is gonna be awesome. So let's get started. All right, so far we got one out. I should say he got one out. This is about what? 10 pounds maybe?
Put some grease on that. Wasn't too rough there.
You got it. Is it full of water?
Yeah, it's got some water in there.
Yo.
got water in there.
Yeah.
You hear it.
What? So far, it's been the same thing. It's the same installation as the STI. So if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. Alright, pipe coming out.
That's big, man. Ooh. Ready to make some sounds?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so we're in the stage of bolting things up. And as you can see, Invidia includes all their hardware. But if you have a WRX model, it's best to get this adapter. It's pretty cool because it has this bevel edge which fits the donut gasket on the downpipe end. So it's pretty cool. It comes with its own gasket and bolts and stuff. So make sure you get this if you're looking for it, right there. So check it out. So we're just gonna start bolting this thing up. So far so good. Woo! Beautiful. Hell yeah.
That looks like a cannon, dude. Alright. It's finally on the car. It looks awesome. The fitment is perfect.
John, can you give me a 13mm socket?
On it, buddy.
Got it.
He's a nurse, bro.
Awesome.
Good?
Yes,
Probably
sir.
like a little schoolgirl in there.
Oh, shit. Woo! Got some backfire going, man. Yeah. We got some smoke going.
Oh, shit sounds nice.
Sounds so deep, man.
Yeah, see, that's not loud. It's not obnoxious. No, not
really
at
good.
all. And this is, well, I guess you could say a cold start,
Yeah.
somewhat. So this is going to be really
the loudest
Right.
it's gonna get on the start.
See, it's louder in his because he's got the boxer, you know, the uneven headers. How's it sound inside?
It sounds
Pretty good. I mean, it's not even that loud. Like, it doesn't drone. He gave me a ride in his, and there was no drone. That's what sold me on this. I was like, I don't want to be on the highway, and it's like, brrr, and I gotta crank my system
dude, it looks. Dude, you can't even really. Besides the colored tips, it would look stock for the most part. You know, you
Yeah.
can't. We know the difference, but.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that. She's quiet and idle. I love it, dude. Want to give it some reps? He's so happy. I love it.
Right, the little run.
Yeah. Nice, brother. Just wait till you actually get. So we just got some food. Got a little Taco Bell over here. I haven't eaten Taco Bell in like 9 years. Yeah, I'm not lying. But look what we ran into. A red WRX. It's over there. I'm gonna get closer so you can see it, but we got all the cars lined up. We're going to go to a parking lot to just do like a sound comparison and show you guys the final you know, STI versus WRX for the R400. But the STI is over here. We found this 2011 WRX hatchback, pretty cool in red, which is pretty rare. And we just lined up over here, so pretty cool. Now we're gonna go to a different location and do that rev comparison. So we're in the parking lot and we're all lined up. So now we're gonna do a stock WRX sound. That's the Invidia R400 WRX, and that's the STI R400. Go ahead. Right. There you go, not bad. Bad. So now my buddy's gonna turn on my car. He's gonna need my keys though. There you go, dude.
That would help.
Yep. Alright, he's gonna turn it on and rev it up. Sounded good.
No,
that sounds nice. Dude, I didn't expect it to be that nice. I got used to it. Like, I didn't realize it was like such a
Dude,
big
yours
difference.
blows mine out of the water. Like, I'm gonna have to do the freaking downpipe too.
Oh my god.
That's
All
what I'm
right.
saying. Like, yours coming from the light and everything, I can just hear you like pull off and everything. It's good, but it's not like.
Wow. It's not like I'm not.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. So now you have a nice comparison between an STI, WRX, R400, and this one. So it sounds really good. What do you think? What do you like about your stock one?
Nothing.
Okay. What do you like about yours now?
It's not too obnoxious.
Yep.
It does have a nice deep tone, and
Yep.
when you get on it, you definitely know it's there.
Yep.
I love it.
Yeah, I like it. You know, too, it's like, it's the perfect, like, to daily drive it.
Yeah.
You know, it's not obnoxious.
Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna get in trouble with
Exactly.
with the cops.
Yep. I like it.
I'm definitely excited about it.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for more coming up. We have some DC5 videos lined up. I'm telling you guys, this year it's gonna be awesome because I have a brand new theme going on and brand new parts going on the DC5. And I actually have 2 more videos planned out for the STI. Those are gonna be up before the DC5 videos start. So stay tuned guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you like these cars in general, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe for more. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.